Asslam-O-Alaikum. But if you only have 2 minutes to tell your story, to tell someone into your life so they can see where you are coming and where you are going, I am gonna share with you everything you need. First, I see it in my mind and then make it real. I am an artist. I have strong grips on Adobe and graphic designing tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Canva. I can portray a variety of designs such as logos, social media posts, ad posts, website banners, ad banners, resume designs, and edit the product images. This may not be average, but this is my real story, and I am feeling proud to share it with you. Thank you.